Well, hello there, YouTube. Welcome to 29 degrees. I think it's like 20... What did Kelly say? 24 or 26 when she first got up. But she's all froze up and foggy, but it's supposed to be nice and warm today. And this time of year, that's how they start out. Nice and cold. Yeah, take another peek at this here thing. Oh yeah. That's way cool. Look at that goofball Abby. She's laying in the middle of the road. What a goof. Oh no, mama. It's the fog. It's the fog. Go to the light. Well, mama, turned out absolutely, I don't think I've come back on and talked to you guys. A couple things I was going to try to shoot, but it was blown out. But about the time we hit Castle Rock, this is what we've had all the way here. Heck yeah. It's colder than heck now, but I'm sure it'll be just like yesterday. I'll be shedding clothes here before you know it.
Yep.
All right, Mama, head on down to the dungeon.
All right. I see you in the water.
All righty. Love to see you. Bye. Bye-bye. Now, you guys didn't think you were going to get away without going for a ride on this beautiful 2018 R1200RT. On a sunny day. Not gonna happen. Nice. Now this is one of those rides where you're definitely gonna be thinking to yourself, I do not want to go back. Oh yeah. I just love these motorcycles. And watch how high that shield goes up. It just literally puts a wall in front of me. Everything goes completely quiet. But I apologize if it gives you wind noise. I lock them down. Love these things. You know, if I win that lottery that I never play, there'd have to be a GSA and an RT sitting in my shop. This will be for the long road trips, dedicated road trips, and the GSA for everything else. And no, never in a million years will I get rid of my Harleys. That's another world. That's another thing. But you can't deny the just incredible coolness of these things. Comfort, reliability. Oh man. The list just goes on and on and on. I think we have a white one on the floor. You know, it's funny, there's a point last year where because these things, I mean, as soon as the season kicks in, they're just gone. Whew. And everybody's screaming, hollering for RTs, and now I think we actually have 4 of them sitting on the floor. But it happens like that with all models. It's just the craziest thing. You can't get enough of them, and all of a sudden you have them, and nobody's lining up to get them. But I'll show up one week, or you know, after a weekend, and they'll all be gone. Or I'll just walk up there for a cup of coffee. The next morning, gone. They just all go at once, it seems like. And then everybody be screaming, how come you don't have any RTs? Well, they were sitting on the floor at one moment. KLRs are like the perfect example of that. We order so many of those things. And there'll be 20, 30 of them, it looks like, on the floor. I'm like, whoa, they like way over ordered KLRs. A week or so later, you walk over there by the Kawasaki area, there's not a KLR to be seen. Everything goes in waves. It's the strangest thing. It's like there's some, yep, that's way before where you're supposed to turn there, buddy. But it's like some secret signal goes out and everybody goes, buy KLRs now. Yeah. This would be a prize to own for sure. Absolutely. Hey James, would you mind cracking that door open for me? Yeah, if you would. That one right there. Thank you, sir. Oh yeah, there's a white one right there. I knew there might be another. Let's go run into Karen over here and steal the... Oh, she's on the phone. See if I can not drop this thing. Yay! I didn't drop it. I don't know where she wants it, so I'll just set it right here. You guys probably know your way around the showroom as well as I do by now, don't you? Alright, thanks for coming along for the rip. Any of you guys with inquiring minds that want to know what the inside of a Rotax built F700GS Valvetrain looks like, there they are. You got dual overhead cams with you got little followers, little rockers down there, very KTM-ish, but chain driven. Cam chain tensioners down there. There's your water pump drive that runs off the intake. There's your water pump. And his valves are perfectly in specs, which these F800s usually are, but when it's time to check them, you gotta check them. It's interesting how you turn the motor over. Of course, the spark plugs are out. You turn it over with a 23mm wrench on the exhaust cam. It's easy peasy. And then of course you got to clean everything in here because I don't know, they bring them in like that, so you got to save them from themselves. And I spray everything down with a lube. SC1 is what I use, and whatever I don't get blown out and wiped off gets sticky, and it, you know, I can keep track of the oil that way. Underneath here is the throttle bodies. You can see the left hand one. You got to cover them all up. The airbox rides on the top here. Battery sits up front. Very, very reliable, wonderful motorcycles. All right, back to my service. It's about 60 degrees out here. Man, does it feel wonderful. Holy moly. Check out the snow back here. She's not that warm. I can tell you one thing, that snow's not going to last very long with this weather. Man, beautiful. Them two knuckleheads, my son Ryan and Brian from upstairs, our Indian tech, they've been sitting there for about 15 minutes just talking about life. Those guys produce so much every day that they can take a break and still come out a mile ahead. Hey, look out there. You guys haven't seen old Mount Hood in quite a while. Man, she's just standing out there pretty as you please. Alright. Let's head on out. Look where that sun is at 5 o'clock. That is absolutely fantastic. Man, look at that bobber with the white walls. I'm not a huge white wall fan. Sometimes that looks really, really good. Well, if I knew Kelly was gonna get tied up in parts. Gordon goes, Smoke, go grab a helmet and your camera. Go test ride that thing. Daggum it. We're gonna have to do that. He goes, have you ever even ridden the bobber yet? And I said, nope. I said, sunny days are coming though. Woman, if I'd have known you were gonna get tied up, I'd have went down and got my helmet. Gordon says, take that bobber for a ride. Aww. I go, oh no, I'm about to go. Oh well. Oh no. Yeah, I could, but there'll be more sunny days. Look how dirty them windows are. Man, that ain't even right. Those are great big barbecuers on that trailer. And the one on the right is, yeah. Oh man, that smells so good. Quick, find out where he's going. Well, hello there, YouTube. Look at this. Pretty soon, we're just gonna get out, stand outside, and do the goodbyes outside. Pretty soon, we could wait till 9:30 at night and still have the sun in our face.
I know it. I love that about summer around here.
Yeah.
Daylight till 9 something.
You pay for it in the winter because they're like crazy short days. Like, isn't it less than 8 hours of daylight in a day, or maybe it's right at like 8:03 or something. We're already at like 11 hours and something.
Yeah.
We've gained since winter solstice.
That's way cool.
Heck yeah. They were driving up the road and I go, Kelly, look, you can actually see everything out here, and
it's see that it was blue skies.
It's 6:26, and you can see out there. I like
crazy.
But yeah, anyway, it was a good day at work. We were supposed to be one of the few people in the Northwest to get 2 of the new Gold Wings. And it looks like some other dealers already got them before, and the powers that be are not very happy about this at all.
Yeah.
But anyway, today, a whole semi-truck backs in there. The guys run out there with a forklift and take one Honda out. And I go, I wonder what that is. It's not a very big crate. And they come running down and I go, Smoke. He goes, we just got the Gold Wing. We got the first of 2. And anyway, they want me to put it together.
That's cool.
I don't know if I'll be doing that tomorrow, or probably start on it tomorrow anyway. But I've got that eluder. I've got to put some what they call the GT kit. We didn't realize it had a GT kit. The one I took you for a ride on, it's called the Grand Tour kit. It's XM Sirius radio, CB, and I don't know what else. Anyways, this whole kit that doesn't come on the bike, we got to put it on the bike. But anyway, I got to put that on too. I'm chomping at the bit for that.
Yeah,
I need to get busy.
You're gonna be a busy man.
Finish up that service on that F800, and I don't know what'll be next, the Gold Wing or the eluder. But the Gold Wing would be cool.
Yeah, that'd be way cool.
Yeah, wish I'd have taken that daggum bobber for a ride now.
I know that.
Yeah, but it'd have been rushed. The whole thing would have been rushed.
Yeah.
I want to just take my time and go goof around. I think that might be a demo that we have, a bobber demo.
Yeah.
Must be, so.
That'd be way cool.
Heck yeah. Haven't ridden a Scout in a while, actually.
I like those bobbers.
Yeah, that bobber's really cool.
Yeah.
Man, them things fly out of there. It's crazy. Make a Indian that looks like a Sportster 48, they're gone, man.
Yeah.
They fly out of there.
And I don't know, there's just something about them. They're really, really cool looking.
Yeah.
I don't know, it's like...
Yeah.
I don't know how to describe
that smoke, or bronze smoke, I think is what they call it.
Oh, I'd die for that one.
Yeah, that one's cool. Man, those, I think they're sold in advance. When they show up, they just go, hey, your bike's here,
Yeah.
Because it hits the floor and it has a sold sign on it. It's like, that one I really like.
I would just sit there and stare at that one forever. Yeah. I'd just sit in the garage and go, oh my God, look at it. That thing's
really cool looking.
Look at it.
And it's that flat, color, that kind of a matte color. I love that.
That's pretty.
That's so nice. You don't have to worry about, I got a swirl in it.
Yeah, I like matte colors.
Just wipe it off with...
It hides the sins very well.
Yeah, it does that, yeah. Anyway, Mama.
We better roll.
This will be the first time we've taken the puppies in the daylight in a long time.
I know it. They're going to go, what?
Yeah, they're not going to want to go in, so we have to take them for a walk.
Oh, yeah.
How that goes. They go,
Yeah.
ooh, daylight, let's go play.
Yes.
We've got them trained, and when it's dark, they just go straight in, you know.
Yeah, if it's light out, that means let's go investigate.
They stop, do a couple little potty things, and it's straight in. But when it's daylight, they go, ooh, it's weekend, let's go play.
Yeah.
That's good for them, though. Anyway, I think we should roll.
Alrighty. Thank you guys very, very much for watching. We really do appreciate it. We will talk to you tomorrow. Same smoke time, same smoke channel. Don't forget to give her a thumbs up. You guys have a wonderful Wednesday or Thursday.
Heck yeah. Very exciting. Days getting longer. Clock's moving forward this weekend.
Yeah.
And riding season's going to be on us.
It's
I'm ready.
It's a-coming.
Yeah.
Yep.
So is everybody else, man. Bike sales and part sales and services coming in. Oh man, they're all ready to go. Winter's just a sign that winter's almost over. We're ready to go.
Yeah, exactly.
Heck yeah. I'm right along with them. All right.
There we go.
I'll get you all later. Bye-bye now.
Bye, everybody.
Thank you guys very much. I was kind of, last couple minutes of work there, I was spinning through the comments for the day. Man, you guys are nice. Thanks for all the nice comments about the old Spyder in there as well.
Very cool.
You guys are awesome.
Yeah.
All right. Till tomorrow.
All right.
Bye. Final goodbye.
Last one.
All right.
Bye.
Bye-bye now.